Hello, this is Dave and Sue Gilmore, known as Mr. and Mrs. LDS Prepper, and this channel has all been about preparedness. However, the dynamics in the world have changed, and we are doing a live video presentation this Thursday at 7 p.m. Mountain Time, not about preparedness, but about survival. How to survive the coming food crisis. This may be one of the most important life-saving videos that you watch this year. Please share the link below and put a reminder on that video. Share it with your neighbors, your friends, your family, everybody you want to get prepared so that they will be ready to survive what's coming. You and I don't have any control over what's happening in the world, but we're going to share with you what my wife and I and our family are doing to be prepared, and take your questions live this coming Thursday at 7 p.m. Mountain Time, 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central, and 6 p.m. Pacific Time. This is LDS Prepper and Mrs. LDS Prepper saying, if ye are prepared, ye shall not fear. See you Thursday.
See you Thursday.